Before you spend your money on this Amazon product, here's the honest breakdown you actually need. Today, we're spotlighting the Beatbot Sora 70 Pool Vacuum Robot. This sleek, lavender-purple machine promises revolutionary 360-degree top-to-bottom cleaning, boasting a superpower suction system with an astonishing 6,800 GPH. But in a crowded market, can this robot truly deliver a spotless pool effortlessly, or will it leave you wanting more? We're cutting through the marketing hype to determine if the Sora 70 is your ultimate pool cleaning solution, or a product you should confidently skip. The Beatbot Sora 70 is an advanced robotic pool vacuum designed to completely revolutionize your pool maintenance. From the innovative brand Beatbot, this intelligent device isn't merely about vacuuming, it's a holistic cleaning system for both above-ground and in-ground pools covering an expansive area of up to 3,200 square feet. It intelligently navigates to clean every inch, the floor, the walls, and even the often neglected waterline, aiming to solve the pervasive problem of tedious and time-consuming manual pool upkeep. Imagine reclaiming your weekends for actual swimming and relaxation, freed from the physical strain of scrubbing and skimming. The Sora 70 is engineered to be autonomous, highly efficient, and exceptionally powerful, offering a truly hands-off solution for a consistently pristine pool. Let's dissect the core innovations that make the Beatbot Sora 70 a standout. First, its 360-degree top-to-bottom cleaning capability. This isn't just surface level, it intelligently cleans every surface, climbing walls, scrubbing the stubborn waterline, and even navigating steps. Why is this critical? Because a truly healthy, sparkling pool requires comprehensive cleaning that eliminates algae and grime from all corners, not just the floor. This exhaustive approach significantly reduces your need for manual brushing, gifting you more leisure time. Next, the ingenious smart surface parking. Picture this convenience. Once its cleaning cycle is complete, the robot intelligently positions itself at the pool's edge for incredibly easy retrieval. No more fumbling with a long hook pole. This thoughtful feature dramatically simplifies post-cleaning handling, making maintenance a truly effortless experience and saving you frustration. Then there's the exceptionally generous 6L capacity filter basket. This substantial volume allows the Sora 70 to collect a prodigious amount of leaves, dirt, and fine debris before requiring any intervention. For larger pools, or those in leafy environments, this is an absolute game-changer. The link in the description is an affiliate link, use it to purchase and support the channel. Thank you for watching. Like, share and comment which Amazon product you want next to be reviewed.